Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be looking at the trends, the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started. This is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and if you look at here, you can see the price is still holding up the level of of this particular 20,000 level. So this is something which becomes an important thing. And if you have seen our previous videos, the recent videos, so we were talking about this thing that 20,000 level is an important support level, and that's the reason you are seeing some kind of consolidation here. And till the time the price is just holding up this level, what we can see that the price might able to get some upside momentum, and that upside momentum could reach to around 22,600 or something like that. So what we can expect, we can take up a support at 20,000 level, and we can take up a resistance at 22,600 level for the Ethereum, for the Bitcoin, I'm sorry. And if you look at the next cryptocurrency, which is the Ethereum, so for Ethereum you can see the price is still holding up this level. Right, yes, so the price is still holding up the level of 1510, and you can see that after yesterday's momentum, however, it was the price was down by 2%, but still the closing happens to be at the at higher than the support area, as well as this trend line level at the, sorry, this 100 EMA level. So trend line is still far from here. So what we can expect, again, we can take up a support at 1510, and we can take up a resistance at 1725. So this looks interesting, because if the prices are trading higher than 100 EMA, which is at least in the short term, we might able to see a little bit more upside momentum. So the price is again just having some kind of consolidation here, and again I'm saying if the price holds up this level, we will see more upside momentum in the Ethereum. So Ethereum, if you compare it with the Bitcoin, it looks little more promising, little more interesting, because for the Bitcoin we are not getting very much data or very much indications towards the upside momentum. But yes, till the time if if the Ethereum holds up this 1510 level, we can have some kind of expectation towards the upside. So this is something you can look at these two cryptocurrencies, and I hope you are learning something. So please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also click the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out anything in future. So this is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching us.